Hi, I'm Daniella, and I'm a lead CA here at Dr. Wax Orthodontics. Today, we're going to talk about what to expect at your first braces appointment. Your initial bonding appointment to get your braces will typically take about an hour to an hour and a half. In preparation to getting your braces at that first appointment, make sure you get a nice good brush in and a nice big meal before visiting us. First thing we do is we clean your teeth just like they do at the dentist, apply bonding gel, and then place the brackets just like stickers. When you get your braces on, you are able to pick whichever colors you'd like in different patterns. You could pick one color, two colors, or even get a rainbow if you'd like. It is normal to have a little bit of anxiety or be nervous for your first braces appointment. Most people say that getting their braces was a lot easier than they expected. Sometimes people may have questions about comforts, what to eat, and timing of their treatment, and we're always happy to answer all those questions. Basic rule of thumb would be stick to soft foods the first few days and use wax and warm saltwater rinses to make sure you're nice and comfortable. Here at Dr. Wax Orthodontics, your comfort and satisfaction is very important to us, and we are here for you every step of the way. We'll see you at your next appointment.